The first thing that you will want to do is open up your kit and check and make sure all the Lego pieces are there. Here we are laying them all out, showing you what to expect. Okay, now we're going to show you how to put the robot together. Please note that there are blue connectors like we're putting in here, and also black connectors. The black ones are short, and there are long blue ones and short blue ones. In this case, we're using the long blue ones. They kind of allow 3 pieces to go together instead of just 2. Now repeat what we just did. You'll notice as we're building, we try to show all the pieces we're using during any individual step. Here we are putting together the frame of the robot. Now let's attach the gray piece that will eventually hold the microbit motor controller. Now we're putting together what will eventually be the front part of the robot. Please note that some of these pieces are decorative in nature and not 100% necessary to get exactly like this. Now we're putting together more of the base where the motor controller will attach, as well as some more decorative pieces. now we'll put the three main sub-assemblies together. You'll notice we found a minor error as we were putting this together, and we changed how some of the black pieces are put together when we finally put everything together. Hopefully you can see in the video what we mean. If not, it's not a huge deal. Like, most of this stuff is decorative in nature anyway. Now, when you install the motors, you want to make sure that the wiring faces down. That may be contrary to what you see in the video. Here we're putting additional bits of the frame together, and our robot is almost complete. When you put the tires on, take a look at this video. The orientation of the tires is important because they have a unique feature where the robot can crawl kind of forward and to the left or forward and to the right, depending on which wheels are driven. Now we're going to attach the motor controller. You're going to want to route the wires underneath and to the side so that they kind of come up and into the motor controller. Now, when you connect the servos, you're going to want to connect the left front wheel to S1, the left rear to S2, the right front to S3, and the right rear to S4. Finally, to get you going, we wanted to show you how to get the software you need in Microsoft MakeCode. So basically, go in, search for Elecfreaks or Wukong, W-U-K-O-N-G, under extensions, and then you can see there's a handful of ways you can drive the robot. You can tell the individual wheels to go, you can tell it what direction to go, you can tell it to stop. And once you get the hang of it, it's actually a really cool robot. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Info@elmwoodelectronics.ca. Thanks a lot.